आई थिंक हम सबके लिए इट वॉज़ अ बिग लाइक एवरी डे क्या होने वाला था किसी को भी आइडिया नहीं थी। आई थिंक राजमौली सर को छोड़ के। एंड एक बहुत अच्छी बात यह है कि सेट पे आने के बाद सर के जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे बहुत ही प्रिसाइज थे। कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सीन वो बहुत ही सरलता से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और समझाते हैं एंड इट बिकम्स ईजी टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ हिम। And what is much, he would actually try everything himself before making us do it. I think कोई भी शायद डायरेक्टर ऐसा नहीं करे because sometimes it's risky and things can go wrong. A lot of a lot of time has been spent on only doing action. So it's been an amazing experience, a great learning experience, very very nourishing.
See, Rajmouli is like improved after every film. Chhatrapati is a good film, it's a good hit there in Telugu, but this is like some 10,000 times bigger than Chhatrapati. See, this for this film it is like it's not easy to make a film like this because every experience there are like so many experiments in the film. Like they have never done such like huge things, huge sets. And for example, there's a statue you can see in the trailer, that 100 feet statue. When they're trying to lift, they put 2 industrial cranes to lift it, and they couldn't lift it. The cranes were like lifting up and all. And they put 4 industrial cranes. It took almost 4 days to shoot that shot. So it is like a lot of experience were like very new for them.
See, for me, this film is very, very special. Firstly, because of my childhood. Now, I grew up on stories like this. I grew up on Amar Chitra Katha. I've grown up on tales of the Ramayana and Mahabharata told by elders to me, and those were the stories of growing up. And when you watch films like a Troy or a 300 or a Gladiator, you know there's so many Indian stories that can be told, and so beautifully told. And well, I guess for me it was like a childlike dream coming true. I'm saying, before being an actor, before being anything in cinema, I was always a movie lover. I used to watch films right from when I was a little child, and any fancy film excites me, and always period war films excited me. And to be part of something like that and to play an antagonist in a film like that, like when you know the tale of Ramayana, Ravan is probably one of the coolest characters. For Mahabharata, there is a Duryodhana who's so grey and so solid, and to portray something of that scale in a film of that scale, I think there's nothing better for an actor to ask for. Relate, I'm thinking I'm a slightly better human being than the character in the film, slight bit. But obviously this is a character that somewhere consumes you, because you start becoming him. See, you start playing this character for over 3.5 years, and that's all is there in your mind. Whether it's the way you walk, the way you speak, unknowingly characteristics of yourself start tilting towards that till reality gets back in.
See, Rajmouli and me are like we have a very emotional bond. We're like, he's my friend, he's my guru, he's like something else for me. He's a very important person. But Rajmouli is always he'll always say like 10 days or 20 days, but it never happens because this scale of film, we know it's not easy to make. And Rajmouli told me like in 1 year we're going to do. I said no, it's not going to happen in 1 year. No, it's taking 3 years for the film to be done. So he's like, and because I know him, so I like, don't worry, just do it.
मैंने इससे पहले कभी भी एक sword को नहीं पकड़ा है, and for me just even holding the sword was challenging, and not looking silly in it was an achievement. Weather conditions काफ़ी challenging रहे हमारे लिए. एक शूट था जो बल्गेरिया में हुआ, जो -10 डिग्रीज़ में हुआ. एक मेरा शूट था जो महाबलेश्वर में हुआ इन पीक मानसून, एंड हमने पूरी शूटिंग वो बारिश में की, एंड वो मेरे कैरेक्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन था. सो इट्स क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग क्योंकि वो शुरुआत में ही आके ऐसा सब, द वेदर इटसेल्फ वाज सो चैलेंजिंग, बट रेन हो, स्टॉर्म हो, स्नो हो, कोई भी चीज़ राजमौली सर को रोक नहीं सकती. तो वो हमने देख लिया और बड़ा मज़ा आया ऐसे शूट करते हुए. आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी द ओवरऑल फिल्म, एंड द फैक्ट दैट ये फिल्म को किसी भी भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स अ यूनिवर्सल सब्जेक्ट. आप शायद इसे किसी भी भाषा में रिलीज़ करिए, ये फिल्म उतनी ही रीच आउट होगी, क्योंकि जिस तरह से बनाई गई है, आई थिंक इट्स बेसिक ह्यूमन इमोशंस विथ एन एक्सट्रावेगेंट कैनवस, एंड it's called India's largest motion picture. So we're trying to give people that kind of a visual. So yeah, we're lucky. We have Rajmouli who's directed this film, and we have Karan Johar putting it out for people. It's the best combination we could have ever asked for.
It's an honor for the whole Bahubali team because he's the biggest name in our country, director, producer, Dharma Productions and all. So it is like the reach which Dharma Productions can give to this film. I think no other film can. We have a best product here, but that is because of Dharma Productions, that Karan Johar, it's going to be reached everywhere in the country.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.